Hello students, welcome to the class 9th standard mathematics. Today we shall learn about the topic set operations. In the set operations, we are going to learn about union of sets, intersection of sets, difference of sets, symmetric difference of sets. The first one, union of sets. Here, union of sets A and B denoted by A union B is a set of all things which are members of either A or B, which means the set A and the set B, all the elements together if we write, then it is called A union B. Here it is the roster form is X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B, which means the element of X must be included with A or included with B. So clearly we can say that X belongs to A union B, which means the element X belongs to A or X belongs to B. And if the X does not belongs to A union B, then the element X does not belongs to A as well as the X does not belongs to B. Here the few examples are given. The set 1, 2 union red, white, which means join all the elements of the set and write it once. 1, 2, red and white. Here you see one more example. If A equal to Charlie, Lucy, Linus and B equal to Lucy, Daisy, then the A union B, how can we write? So here we have to write joining all the elements of both the sets, but we have to remove the repetition, which means Charlie, Lucy, Linus, Daisy. The name Lucy repeats here in the set A as well as B. So when writing the A union of B, we will write only once in a time. So here we have see the generalized definition of this union of sets. If the set A1, A2, AN, etc. is a finite family of sets, then their union will be A union and A2 union, A3 union and union AN up to union I equal to 1 to n. So which means 1 to n numbers, that is AN we can write. Next, intersection of sets. What do you mean by intersection? Intersection of sets means between two sets there lies a common elements. So intersection of set A and B is denoted by A intersection B is a set of all things which are members of both A and B. So this we can write it as X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. So clearly we can say that X belongs to A intersection B means it is X belongs to A and. So in the previously union of sets they have given the word or, but in the intersection of sets here they have mentioned and X belongs to B. So remember this and or for this set operations. And then X does not belongs to A intersection B means the element does not belongs to A or does not belongs to B. So in the same example we can see here Charlie, Lucy, Linus and the set B equal to Lucy and Daisy. Then what is the intersection A intersection B? The common elements are called intersection of sets. So the common element is, here the name is Lucy. So therefore Lucy is a common element. Therefore A intersection B equal to Lucy. Here the set 1, 2 intersection red and white. So in both the sets there is no common element. Therefore the common element is empty. Here you can see 1, 2 and green. Intersection red, white and green. So when we look it into this both the sets, we can find that here the color green and in the green are common. In the second set green are common. Okay, therefore the common set is green. Here 1, 2 intersection 1, 2. both the sets having common elements. Therefore, 1, 2 is a common element. Here they have given generalized definition. You can watch it later. Now we shall see the difference of two sets A and B denoted by A minus B, or A slash B is a set which contains those elements of A which are not in B. So which means a difference of set. If we write A minus B, we will choose and write only the elements belongs to A and will subtract the elements of B, which means A minus B equal to X such that X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. Here if we write B minus A, which means the element should be belongs to B set and does not belongs to A set. Here I have given the example. You can understand it more clearly. That is, if A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, there are some elements in A and there are some elements in B, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then how can we write A minus B? We have to write as a subtraction, which means we have to subtract the elements of B and we have to remove the common elements with the B. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, which is repeating here, we have to subtract the elements of B. 3, 4, 5, 6 we should not write. Then is there any common element between these two sets? Yes, there are 3 and 4 are common elements. So we can write that. So this 3 and 4, here 3 and 4 common element. So we have to leave the common element and we have to subtract the set B and then we have to write A minus B. The same way, how can we write B minus A? Here we have to write only the elements of B. So what are the elements of B? 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we have to leave the common element. What are the common elements? 3 and 4 are common elements. Therefore, answer for the B minus A equal to 5, 6. Now we shall see about disjoint sets. So what is disjoint set? Sets whose intersection is empty are called disjoint sets. Sets whose intersection is empty are called disjoint sets. So here the set A and B, there is no elements as a common and there is no union of elements, then it is called disjoint set. So therefore let A equal to A, B, C, D, E and the set X, Y, Z. So which means there is no common elements, that is called A intersection B equal to pi. What is complement of set? So we can write this complement of set as A dash, that is A complement and A bar. So in this three ways we can write this. So A bar equal to X such that X does not belongs to A, which means A complement means except A set, then we can write all the elements belongs to the universal set. Here this square represents, this rectangle represents the universal set. In the universal set, except A set, the remaining elements are called A bar, which means A bar means A dash equal to union minus, universal set minus A set, that is U minus A. Here we can write X such that X belongs to universal set and it should not belongs to set A. So therefore X belongs to A dash is X does not belongs to A. Here you can see the example. If U equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and A equal to 1, 2, 3. Therefore A dash means set, just leave the elements of set A, which means 1, 2, 3. Then the remaining answers will be called A dash. So we can see 1, 2, 3. Leaving all these elements, then we can write the universal set 4 and 5. Symmetric difference of sets. The symmetric difference of sets A and B, denoted by A plus B or asymmetric B, consists of whose elements which belong to either A or B. So we can say one word, that is the elements may belongs to either A or B, but not both. Maybe belong to A or B, but not both. That is, we can write X belongs to A and sometimes X does not belongs to B. In some other way, X belongs to B and X does not belongs to A. Here we can write the symmetric difference A minus B union B minus A. So easily you can remember this formula, A minus B union B minus A. So what is the symmetric difference of sets? A symmetric B equal to A union B minus A intersection B. So which means, in another word, we can write A union B, then subtract the A intersection B values. So this you can easily remember the formula. The next one, X belongs to A symmetric B. That means X does not belongs to A intersection B. So in the symmetric difference, we will leave the common elements belongs to this A and B. Here see the example. A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B equal to 3, 4, 6. Then A minus B means just we will subtract the elements of B and we will remove the common elements, that is 1, 2. What is B minus A? We will subtract the elements of A and we will remove the common elements between A and B. Then what is asymmetric B means? A minus B. So what is A minus B union B minus A? That is called, A minus B value is 1, 2. Then B minus value is 5, 6. So union of these two values are 1, 2, 5, 6. Now we shall move to the exercise 1.3. Using the given Venn diagram, write the elements of A, B, A union B, A intersection B, A minus B, B minus A dash, B dash and universal set. So let's write A. So what do you mean by A? A means the elements of set A. So in the circle 2, 8, 10, 4, 7, this circle belongs to this, whole circle belongs to A. Therefore the set A are 2, 8, 10, 4, 7. Okay, then what is B? What is B? Here in the circle B, 9, 4, 7, 6, 11, 3. All these elements are belong to B. So we can write this 3, 4, 7, 6, 3, 4, 7, 6, 9, 11. So these are called set B. And third one is A union B. What is A union B? What is A union B? A union B means, so join all the elements of A and B, just avoid the repetition. What is A union B? Join all the elements of A and B and just avoid the repetition. So here come 2, 8, 10, 4, 7, 9, 6, 3, 11. So all these elements are called A union B. Okay, what is next? A intersection B. So the fourth one is A intersection B. So how can we write A intersection B? Common elements between A and B. So here there are circle. So this area is called intersection. For all this circle A and for the circle B, this common area is called intersection. So what is A intersection B here? Set 4, 7 are the common elements. That is called A intersection B. Then what is A minus B? A minus B, which is the fifth one. So previously I have said subtract the elements of B and remove the common elements. So here we can write, we are going to leave all the B set, which means what is A? So except this area, okay, this portion. So this portion is called A minus B. So therefore 2, 8, 10. So these elements are called A minus B. Okay, what is B minus A? What is B minus A? Here you can see the same procedure. That is minus A. That means write only the elements of B and subtract the elements of A. So which means write only the elements of B. And you have to subtract you have to forget all this. You have to forget all this values. You have to forget all these values. Then you have to write only the elements of B. But you have to remove the common elements. So that is 3, 6, 9, 11. So this shaded region is called B minus A. What is next? A dash. So easily you can remember that is complement of A. The seventh one, complement of A means universal set subtraction with minus A. So U minus A. So among all the universal set, just subtract the elements of A. What is subtract the elements of A? This 2, 8, 10. So this is 2, 8, 10. But remember, this 4 and 7 also belongs to set A only. Here there is no chance of finding common element. But here A complement means universal set minus A. So remove the elements of set A, which means A complement is equal to, just remaining elements are write it 1, 3, 6, 9, 11 and 12. So these elements are called A complement. Next we shall see the eighth one, B dash, which means B complement. Except elements of this B, remaining elements are called B complement. So what are the elements or belongs to B complement? Except this B set, which means 1, 2, 8, 10 and 12. So 1, 2, 8, 10, 12. So these are called B complement. Then the next question is universal set. The universal set. What is universal set? What is universal set? Here you have to write all the elements belong to this rectangle. All the elements belong to this rectangle. What are the elements? Just you say yourself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 10, 11, 12. So all these elements are called universal set. Now let's see the second question. Find A union B, A intersection B, A minus B and B minus A for the following sets. So for the each subdivision, we have to find A union B, A intersection B, A minus B and B minus A. So let's go for the first subdivision. A equal to 2, 6, 10, 14 and B equal to 2, 5, 14, 6. First we shall find A union B. So for the set A and the B, we are going to find A union B. So what is A union B? Just write all the elements of A and B together and remove the repetition. So there are 2 is repeating here. So you can write it one time. 6 and 5, 10, but 14 is repeating here. So you can write it once. So 14, 16. So 2, 6, 5 and 10, 14, 16 are the A union B. Next, A intersection B. The common elements are, previously we have seen 2 is repeating and the 14 is repeating. So therefore 2 and 14 are the A intersection B. The next one, A minus B. A minus B. So which means you have to subtract the B set and you have to remove the common element. So just you can leave the set 2, 5, 14, 16. So what are the common elements? 2 and 14. 2 and 14. Therefore A minus B equal to 6, 10 or A minus B. What is B minus A? B minus A means subtract the set A. So I have left the elements of set A and remove the common element, which means 2 and 14 are common element. So the remaining values belongs to set B are called my B minus A. So I am going to remove 2 and 14. The remaining elements are 5 and 16. 5 and 16. So with this, the first subdivision gets over. Now we shall move to the fourth subdivision. Set of all letters in the word mathematics and B equal to set of all letters in the word geometry. Here the set A equal to mathematics, which means they have given in small letters, so you can write it as it is. M A T H E, and again the M is repeating, so no need to write it again. So M, no need to write. Then A also is repeating, so no need to write. Then T I C S. So these are the elements of set A. Next the set B is set of all letters in a word geometry. So G E O M E. So here repeating E again, so no need to write. T R Y. So these are the elements of set B. Okay. Now we are going to find out A union B. So A union B. So what is A union B? Just write all the elements of set A and B, and we have to remove the repetition and we have to avoid the repetition. Therefore M, already here it is repeating, so no need to write twice, so only once we can write M. A, here T is repeating, M A T H E. Here T also is repeating, no? So no need to write this, so we can avoid this. T, H, E and I, C, S. And then now you just look at the elements of B. Here G is not repeating. Here E is repeating, so no need to write. M is repeating. T also repeating. The remaining words are O, R and Y. So the A union B is M, A, T, H, E, I, C, S, G, O, R, Y. So next we can see A intersection B. Now you have to check the elements of A and B. Just find the common elements or same elements in the set A and B. What are the same elements? M is repeating. So M is the same. Here A is not repeating. So T, here it is. And E is repeating. And I is not repeating. C is not repeating. And S is also not repeating. So therefore MTE. So MTE is A intersection B. Now we shall move to the A minus B. A minus B. Just remove the elements of set B and remove the common elements of A and B and then write only A set. So M is repeating, so no need to write. Here A is not coming, A, and T is repeating, so avoid. H, E is repeating, so just avoid. And the not repeated words are I, C, S. So A, H, I, C, S or A minus B. Next B minus A we are going to find out. So just forget the elements of A and avoid the common elements of set A, B and A. So here G is not repeating, then E also repeating, O is not repeating, only this belongs to set B. And M is repeating, T also repeating, then the remaining are R, Y. So these are belongs to B minus A. So with this the second sum gets over. Now we shall move to the third question. If universal set equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and A equal to B, D, F, H and B equal to A, D, E, H, find the following sets. So now we shall move to the first subdivision A dash. What do you mean by A dash? These are complement sets or complement set. Here we can write this: if A complement or A dash equal to U minus A, which means universal set minus set A. Now we shall see without diagram how can we subtract the elements. Okay, here A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H are given in the universal set. We are going to subtract the elements of set A, B, D, F, H. So here is B, here is also B. Then D, there is also D. F, F we have to cancel and which we have to cancel, it is here. So the remaining elements you can write it that. So the remaining elements are A, C, E, and G. So these are called A complement. Now we shall go for the B dash. So B dash means, what is B dash? U minus B. So what is universal set? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Then the set B means A, D, E, H. So we have to remove the elements of B and the common elements. So which means, how can we write this? B complement means A and D. The common elements are we are removing and we are going to subtract the set B. Then E, H. The remaining elements are called B complement, that is B, C, F, G. So these are called B complement. Now we shall move to the third subdivision, A dash union B dash. So previously we have found A dash union B dash. Just write the elements of A dash, that is A, C, E, G, and union of B dash means B, C, F, G. Then A dash union B dash means together you can write A, just avoid the repetition, B and C, E, F, G. Next we shall find the fourth subdivision, A dash intersection B dash. So for this A dash, A, C, E, G, put the intersection symbol B, C, F, G. The common elements belong to this A dash and B dash are set C. Here there is also G. Then here G repeats, no? Then you have to cancel this. So C, comma G. Now we shall move to the fifth subdivision, A union B the whole dash. What do you mean by A union B the whole dash? U minus A union B, which means universal set minus A union B. So first let us find A union B. So what is A union B? A equal to B, D, F, H. It is given in the sum itself. Then what is B? A, B, E, H. Then A union B means A, B, D, E, F, H. So A, B, D, E, F, H. So these elements are called A union B. Now we are going to find out A union B the whole dash, which means universal set A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and subtract the A union B. What is A, B, D, E, F, H? So just cancel the common elements and then subtract the A union B. So B, D, E, F, H. Therefore the remaining elements are A union B the whole dash is equal to C and G. Now the sixth subdivision, A intersection B the whole dash is equal to, we can write it as U minus A intersection B, which means we have to find A intersection B. So the set of elements A intersection set of elements B. Then the common elements are, here D is common and H is common. Therefore A intersection B equal to D and H. we shall write A intersection B the whole dash is equal to universal set minus A intersection B. So the universal set subtract with A intersection B. So therefore remove the common elements and subtract the A intersection B, that is D, D, H, H. Then the remaining elements are called A intersection B the whole dash, that is A, B, C, E, F, G are called A intersection B the whole dash. Now we shall go for the seventh subdivision, A dash the whole dash, which is equal to U minus A dash. Usually we write A dash is equal to U minus A. But here A dash the whole dash means U minus A dash. Therefore, universal set subtraction with A dash. So the A dash value, previously we have seen that A dash equal to A comma C comma E comma G. In the first subdivision itself, we have found this. Then AC EG is a A dash. Now we have to follow the same procedure. Cancel the common element C and subtract the A dash E G. Then the remaining elements are called A dash the whole dash, that is B, D, F, H. Now you see B, D, F, H. If we compare this value, this is nothing. A dash the whole dash is equal to always A. Now we shall move to the next subdivision, B dash the whole dash, that is U minus B dash. So universal set subtraction with B dash, which means you can write it as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H minus B dash. Answer is B comma C comma F comma G. B, C, F, G. So if we remove the common elements, then we will get B, C, F, G. Then B dash the whole dash is equal to, you can write it as A, D, E, H. So which is same to B dash the whole dash is equal to set B. That you can see it in the question, that is A, D, E, H. So that's what we get, A, D, E, H. So with this, the third sum gets over.